I've been doing these crash course in acoustics style videos, these short videos with some acoustic phenomena that I described for a while now, and I just want to let you know that I actually have a whole course in acoustics if someone is interested. It's about 10 hours of lectures in total. It's available on YouTube, but I thought that it might be a better format to do them in this short style, like 5 minutes or 10 minutes maximum, because that's what LinkedIn allows, but the shorter the better, where I can just grab a single topic and discuss about that one, because it's quite hard if you have 10 hours of material and you only need 30 minutes of it to sit through it all. But just so you know, there is a course online and you can take a look at it if you want to. It's 5 lectures and it's in English. I also have it in Swedish, by the way, but the English version is the most recent one, and I think it's I was in a better experience, better flow. It's a more recent one, of course. I've gained more experience and knowledge, so I would recommend that one if you choose between the Swedish and the English version. I can drop a link in the description of this video, and you can check it out if you think you'll need it. Perhaps some of you might. I hope, because I think that it's very important to share education with the world. If I do my university lectures, this honestly, it makes no sense to me to just do a lecture in a sealed classroom and then the information stays there. It does not make sense when I can put it online for anyone to see, anyone who wants to learn more about acoustics. It is there and it's free, because I don't think you can grow poor by sharing knowledge. That's just not possible. So, just want to let you know about that. And in today's video, I'm wearing a brand new hairstyle, which is no hair at all. My wife took the razor to the head. She's done it now 2 times, 3 times, and is starting to get the hang of it. And it's insanely smooth. I've been growing a bald spot on my head for a couple of years, so I thought that it's better to just get rid of it all. It looks better. Just own it instead. But there's one key difference, and that's it's very, very cold when you walk outdoors with this. It's amazing how much warmer it feels when you just have like 1 millimeter of hair. It's a huge difference compared to a complete bald look like this. But anyways, in just 1 week, it's almost back again. So it takes quite a lot of work to rock this look if you're gonna keep it that way. Yeah, see you later.